Guru Maharaj said he had a plan to say many things, but because of the shortage of time, he could not say everything. So in the evening he will say more. So please come for the lecture.
Hare